U.S. President Donald Trump announced on Saturday he has directed the Pentagon to use all available funds to ensure that U.S. military personnel are paid by October 15th. Amid a partial government shutdown, Trump slammed the Democrats for holding national security hostage over budget negotiations, accusing them of endangering troops. Trump instructed Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth to shift about $8 billion from other accounts to cover payroll, bypassing the Congress. This follows failed talks on funding bills, with essential services continuing, but many federal workers furloughed. No immediate response from the White House press office, but Pentagon officials confirmed preparations to execute the order. Legal experts are debating the move as the shutdown persists into its second week. Non-essential government work in the U.S. stopped after September 30th deadline for Congress to pass a new funding bill, with Senate Democrats repeatedly blocking a Republican resolution to reopen federal agencies since then. Republicans are proposing an extension of the current budget with the same spending levels, while Democrats are calling for an extension of subsidies for health insurance for low-income households. Several Democratic votes are required to pass a budget despite the Republican majority. But Trump has rejected any negotiations with the opposition on health issues without reopening the federal government as a prerequisite. Illinois State Police moved in to detain protesters after declaring an unlawful assembly outside of U.S. Immigration Customs Enforcement facility in Broadview, Illinois on Saturday. Protesters gathered outside the ICE premises, clashing with police decked in riot helmets and holding wooden batons. Demonstrators scuffled with officers as lines of police advanced. Some arrests were made. Police later pulled back as protesters regrouped at their original gathering point.